Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or solve your Google Drive. To know how to fix or solve your Google Drive, you should just go to Settings. Here in this page, we click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. After that, in this list, you will enter to the window of Google Drive. Then here in this page of App Info, we click on First Stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to Storage. Here we click Clear Cache. Don't click Clear Data because that can make errors in your app. And in the end of all these steps, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem you have on your Google Drive. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.